Hello everyone, welcome back to our mini road trip in London series. Today we are going to show you Buckingham Palace, we are going to show you Sloane Street, Chelsea, King's Road, some Victoria, some nice part of London. This on our right are the hall and the apartment of the staff in Buckingham Palace, by the way. I hope you enjoy those little road trip video. Made them for requests from people who live far away from us, and since we enjoy driving the Tesla around, I wanted to share that experience with a viewer from the US, from Asia, from Hong Kong, and thank you for watching those videos. And please let me know if you have ideas of places you want to see. Happy to show them to you, and to be able to explain a bit more how we can live with our electric vehicle in London, but also to visit some of the places. So we are close to Christmas, so we have quite a lot of decoration in some of the shops this year. This is a mini road trip toward Buckingham Palace. We have a nice, beautiful view
now
from
left onto Buckingham Gate.
Buckingham Palace and the GPS of the Tesla and our driver. You know, you see that now there is quite a lot of cyclists in London, and what is good is we can see them on the screen coming around us. We can also now see the traffic lights.
The road is closed.
In 500 feet, bear left onto Constitution Hill.
Go. Okay, thank you. So we can see the front of Buckingham Palace. Very lucky today.
Now
Beautiful.
turn right onto Spare Road. Now bear right towards Birdcage Walk.
And St. James Park. And then the Queen's Guard, where they live. Okay, this is where a lot of horse guard parades with happening in the summer. And in fact, the Prime Minister residence is just behind here. Those things. I don't know if you can see it properly.
People dancing.
This is a residency for the Prime Minister.
The Green Park on the right.
Very nice park just in front of Buckingham Palace. And this road is going to lead us toward Victoria, and if we can, we'll try to see Buckingham Palace as well. But on the left, a little bit further, this is where the guards, the Queen's Guard, are living and practicing. So when they go to the palace to guard the Queen, they come from here. So that's good for us to show it to you. That's exactly where they are. And Buckingham Palace is just in front of us there. I'll let you enjoy the view of the small street in London, getting closer to where we wanted to be. See all those nice preserve house and shops, and here we are close to where the Chelsea pensioner live, but there is a brand new buildings who've been built just next to them. And as you can see, we still don't see that many electric cars or Tesla in London. In fact, in the UK, it's only 1% of the car are electric, and well, we didn't see any Tesla on the road today. I don't know, maybe it's not Tesla day, or it's just for us to arrive. See, 2 charger for electric vehicle right there. Good, so you can charge and park very close to
Sloane Square.
Sloane Square, exactly. So we are like 2 minutes walk from Sloane Square, but there is some traffic, so it may take us a little bit longer to arrive there. You see those nice red brick building. It's mainly apartments now. So in this area there is less office building, but more apartment building. It's quite expensive, in fact, to live in this area. Sloane Square is one of the posh area of London. Where you will see a lot of rich and famous people having a house or big flats. Okay, here we go. Our road trip, mini road trip. We are arriving of Sloane Square. So this is the Sloane Square. There is, if you continue straight, you are going to arrive in Hyde Park, next to Harrods, for example. If you turn, as we are going to do, you are going to go to King's Road, and there is this big Peter Jones department store, who is quite famous, which is the start of King's Road. King's Road is a commercial street, but if you visit London, you have to visit King's Road. It's part of one of the landmark to visit the commercial street. Quite busy, and we are beginning of December, Christmas preparation for a lot of people, Christmas shopping. The shop just reopened not too long ago, so we are going to see if we can pass King's Road and show you some of the nice places to visit. So this is the Duke of York Square. So we'll see quite a lot of people, but it's always very well decorated, and a lot of people take Instagram picture in there. So it's quite funny to see them. And we are going to arrive in the Duke of York Square, show you some of the Christmas decoration. This is the Duke of Square with the Saatchi Art Gallery on the back. And a few years ago, probably 10, 15 years ago, it was an army base, transformed now to shops and art gallery. And we are back on King's Road.
Really busy today.
It's really busy. Christmas shopping. I think a lot of people are coming out to do their Christmas shopping. This is a Cheslea town hall, and when people get married, they come out of this door and take a lot of pictures. So, and then you can see on the floor all the confettis were thrown away. So we miss them from.
Hugh Grant got married here.
Hugh Grant got married here. Good to know. Once or twice?
I don't know. No, in fact, once.
In fact,
He was
only
never
once.
married. He was never married.
And look at this decoration. This is
Ivy.
the ivy, and they decorated towards the North Pole. Oh, and look at this person going to get
Whoa,
picture in
la,
front.
la, la.
We arrive at the right time. Must be for Instagram or something. You have the Santa Claus office. Okay, one of the landmarks in London King's Road is a Bluebird Cafe, so I wanted to show it to you. Cannot see too much, to be honest, but since we are passing in front of it, it was good to share it. So we are now in the heart of Chelsea, still on King's Road, a long commercial street. And one thing that I wanted to tell you is very useful for us. I don't know if you do the same, is to use voice command to be able to not touch the screen too much when you are driving, but be able to set up the wiper when it's raining, or use GPS. So we'll do one today to show you how you can use it to set up your GPS.
You press the button. Take me home.
The way to drive to your destination. As you can
And
see,
if you want to cancel it, you press the button again. Turn the navigation off.
and now the navigation is turned off. Thank you. Very good demonstration of the voice command. So this will be the end of our mini road trip inside the London commercial streets, Sloane Square, Buckingham Palace and King's Road. Thank you very much for joining this channel and watching our videos. I hope you enjoy it. If you do, please click the like button. Don't hesitate to send comments. And you can also and always subscribe to the channel. There will be a lot more video coming up. We have a lot of ideas, but first we wanted to share a bit about the city, about London. Thank you very much. Hope you are all safe, and hope to enjoy new video with you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye bye. And for American friends, we now have some Shake Shack burger place in London. I remember when I was in New York, people were queuing from hours to go and get a burger from Shake Shack. Well, it's not the case anymore, and in London you can just walk in and get it. So if you are hungry for a good burger,
There's one in Covent Garden too.
and there is one in Covent Garden too. Thank you.